Welcome back to the channel, guys. Just got her here, about to get offloaded. Today we got a good one. We got a bunch of flammable methane, a lot of methane. So we'll get right to it and check it out. Go ahead and show you the back placard real quick. And then these are the methane packs. These are 12 packs of methane, so 12 bottles per pack. And here's my side placard, my front placard, and I have one on the other side as well. So just quick hazmat law real quick. When you come to railroad tracks, you gotta put your flashers on, stop, roll your windows down, look left, look right, look left, look right. Make sure no train's coming. Because hauling hazmat, when you're placarded, that's the law. A lot of people don't know that. A lot of people always ask me. It's just for safety reasons. So just know that's one of the laws that you have to look forward to and always remember. It's a good habit to do it.